Welcome teachers, hope you all are doing well. So basically this recording is all about book visit platform exercises which we are used in our LPs. So I think I have to give you a brief intro about what is book visit and how we are going to use it. So basically book visit is a platform for interactive exercises and games like quizzes, jigsaw puzzles, word search game, fill in the blanks, fill ups, true, false, horse games and many more other games. So where you will see the book visit platform exercises, you will see that on your next lesson plans. So what point you have to remember while using book visit exercises? So point number one, book visit exercise work only on presentation mode. If your LP is on presentation mode, only on then book visit exercises will work. If it is not on presentation mode, then it will not work. Second point which you have to keep in mind, that you have to give the mouse control to your student so that he or she perform the exercise himself or herself. And if you find that any kind of solved exercises in your LP, then what would you do in that case? So in that case, you have to click on the bin icon and then choose yes clear option to get an unsolved exercises. When you choose the yes clear option, you will see that your solved exercises will get answered and you will, and all the given answers are cleared. So now let's understand and how we do the visit exercises. So one exercise of book visit is here. This is word search game. So in this game, you have to tell your students find each word from the sentences. That I am round in shape just like a dinner plate. So which shape is in round? What we call the round shape? Circle. So you have to select circle. Next, I have three sides just like a pizza slice. So which a shape has three sides? So it's triangle, which look like a pizza slice. Next, I have four angles just like a checkerboard have. So which checkerboard is in which shape? Square. Now I have four vertices just like the door have. So door is in which shape? Is in rectangle. So when your students will complete this exercise, congratulations, and any other word, other phrase of praising is appear on their screen. And you don't have to clear this exercise and move on to the next slide. So there's one more exercise. Look, there is already solved exercises appear on our screen. So in this case, what we'll do, we have to click on the bin and choose the option yes clear. So we will get cleared exercise. So now you will do that. In this exercise, what we have to do, we have to match the images with their names like cone, cube, cylinder, pyramid, and cuboid. So this is cube. So here's cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and pyramid. When you complete that, when your students will complete this exercise, congratulations, word is appear on the screen. Next, there's another example of exercise, book visit exercise. So this is basically true or false type exercise. That does the shape have a circle as a face? So if you say yes, so yes, it is correct. That's why the color of the option is changed into green color and one right mark is appear on the in front of the option. Now move on to the second question. In this question, you have to choose which shape has a rectangle as a face. So there are two cards. In first card is pyramid shape and second is cone shape. So question is which shape has a rectangle as a face. So you have to choose the correct card which have a shape whose face has rectangle. So pyramid has a rectangle face. So yes, it is correct. That's why the color of the card is changed into green and right mark appear on the top of the card. Move on to the next question. Does this shape have a square as face? So it's yes or no. So it's no. So correct. Now, does the shape has a triangle as a face? Yes, it has triangle as a face. Now, does the shape have a circle as a face? So if you say yes, it is wrong. So it means it is wrong because the color of the option does not change. So let's say yes. Yeah, no is the correct option because the color of the option is changed and right mark appear on the screen. So does this shape have a rectangle as a face? Yes. So here is one another option, that if you want to see that how many answers you will give, how many answers you done correct, or what's the score you achieve. So you have to click on the show answer and then yes. So here's your score. You get 6 out of 6. Now let's see another example of book visit exercise. So this is exercise is basically connect the dots. This is a fun activity exercise which you will see in your LPs, starting of your LPs. So if you want that your other student also do that, so you have to click on the bin and yes, clear the image option you have to choose, and then it is cleared. So your next students will also perform this activity. One more exercise, multiple choice question. What fraction of the shapes are triangle? So it is 3 by 5. What fraction of the shapes are circle? 1 by 2. Which fraction is greater? So we have to choose between these two cards, which card has a fraction which is greater. So 4 by 6. What fraction is less, 2 by 4 or 3 by 4? So 3 by 4 is wrong. That's why the color of the fraction is not changed. So this is the correct answer, because the color of the option is changed, the color of the card is changed, and right mark appear on the top of the card. So let's see what's our result. You have to click on the show answer, then click on the yes, and yes, you scored 4 out of 4. Let's move on another slide. There is Phillips question. Your students have to do that. Let's move on another example. There's choose the correct card exercise, which holds more, cup holds more, like which is the longest, which is taller, which comb is shorter. This type of exercise you will find in your LPs. They all are made in Book Wizard platform. So this is a hangman activity. So you have to tell your students that they have to complete the word, and all the words are belongs to the stationery material, and the title is given here. So stationery material. So which alphabet is comes here, so that this word complete and it belongs to the stationery material. So scale. And to move on the next word, you have to click in between the screen. So next word is color. Now it's color. Now you move to on the next word, click on screen. So your next word is appear. One more example of this is a spot the difference. So your students have to click only on one image, whether it's first image or second image. Like there's cloud and there's cloud is missing. There's footstep, but there's not a footstep. So click on that. Window is different. Circle is missing. One fence is missing. So yeah, you spot all the 5 differences. So congratulations was appear on the screen. If you go on your previous slide, look that it's already shown cleared. So you have to only go on click bin option when you find that some exercise already solved appear on your screen. This is one more flashcard activity. What you have in this activity, your students have to annotate the answer. So you have to give them control so that they can annotate the answer, and to check you have to click in between the flashcard, and on the opposite of the flashcard you got the answer. Like this is the another next card. Click on between the flashcard, your answer is on the opposite side. This is hotspot image exercise. In this you will see that what question is written on in top of the image. Click on the first word and solve the question. So there's ball, and you have to solve this question. Your students have to complete this word search game. There's one more. In this, you have to click on the cupcake and solve the question. So when you click on the cupcake, you get the question which is appear on the screen. And in this exercise, your students have to do this question in their notebooks and tell you the answers. So that's all. I think your doubts may be cleared. Thank you.